Hello, Van Sturgeon here. So many times I'll drive through neighborhoods and I'll spot a garbage bin in front of a house, and then 6 months later I'll drive by that same house and I'll see the same dumpster out front. 6 months to renovate a house? I can build a brand new house in 4 months. How can a house renovation take so long? Well, I'll tell you from experience why these houses renovations are taking so long. I should know. I'm a pretty successful real estate investor and I own a number of successful businesses in construction and renovation. I've built and renovated thousands of houses and commercial properties over the last 30 years. I know what it takes to pull off a successful renovation. When you see a renovation that has taken so long, it usually has something to do with the contractors. Contractors will take advantage of you if you're not firm with them and if you don't hold them accountable for their work. Time is money, and when you see a contractor has not lived up to their schedule, then you got to cut them loose. So many times I see newbie real estate investors on their first house renovations that walk into the trap of falling in love with their contractor and feeling sorry for them. These contractors are working on other job sites and not on yours. Do you think the contractor cares that you have to fork over carrying costs each month for a house that has to be renovated? Here's a valuable tip. Never pay a contractor more than the value of their work. If they don't provide you with quality and timely work, then bounce them off your renovation. Go find yourself another contractor who can. Don't let a contractor hold you hostage. Anyways, please don't let this happen to you. I would love to see you tag a new real estate investor and comment below. Please like and share this with someone who is about to start or consider doing a home renovation. It can help them save thousands of dollars and a whole lot of headaches. Go ahead, don't be shy.